Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4962 Hillcrest Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed, European-inspired hilltop dream home with panoramic lake views, 4 acres, and 50 feet of level waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and lake friends with this stunning foyer featuring a brick barrel ceiling, crown molding, travertine floors, and door transom and side lights. Upon entering this spectacular great room, you see panoramic views of Canandaigua Lake. With a beautiful arch wall of windows, a 20-foot beam cathedral ceiling, custom built-ins, beautiful hardwood epay floors, and the hallmark of this beautiful home, a stone gas fireplace. Open from the great room, this designer cook's kitchen is just spectacular. Featuring furniture-grade custom wood cabinetry, beautiful granite countertops, plus a buffet with a wet bar, and a walk-in pantry, plus a dining area with deck access. What an entertainer's dream! Just off the designer cook's kitchen is a laundry, and a beautiful first floor guest suite with a full bath. A separate wing features a first floor library or office with a coffered wood ceiling, custom cabinetry, epay custom flooring, and nature views. This first floor owner suite has it all, with a spacious bedroom with tray ceiling, Santos mahogany floors, and an alcove living area to take in those wonderful Canandaigua Lake views, a corner gas fireplace, and this ultimate walk-in closet that has everything custom for you. A luxurious spa bathroom featuring a makeup area with marble top and coordinating 2 vanities, a soaking tub, a separate tile shower, and even heated towel bars. You will feel pampered in this luxurious spa bathroom. The excitement continues in this walkout lower level, featuring 9-foot ceilings, a medium room with a fireplace, great to watch the big game or your favorite movie, game room, and a curved wet bar with microwave and beverage cooler. In addition, there are 2 amazing and private bedroom suites with full baths and walk-in closets. Plus a great artist or craft room with doors leading to a patio and amazing lake views. This exceptional custom-built home was designed by architect James Fahey with the interior design by Kimberly Martin. The attention to detail from the interior and exterior is evident with its fine craftsmanship, even to the copper finials that make this lake home so special.
Enjoy luxurious outdoor living with million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake, featuring an entertainment-sized deck, a rotunda dining area, and a lower covered patio for great shade, with a hot tub and a fire pit to gather around. Enjoy the lake lifestyle with 50 feet of pristine waterfront, with an expansive patio, a beach area, and a dock with a boat hoist, all with gorgeous views.
This hilltop setting of 4 acres with beautiful landscaping in combination with 50 feet of level lakefront is a rare opportunity to have the best that Canandaigua Lake has to offer.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer.
Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake.
At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4962 Hillcrest Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!